Good afternoon, teachers. Let's start learn with how to download pictures which you use for your most of the projects. I'm just going to just a small sample. Go to Google Images. Google is a portal where you can download so many images. We got Gmail images file. I'm just going to type lion. If you want to download lion. We got so many pictures, but which one you want to download? It's up to you. But before that, some criteria you need to follow. Just go to Tools, type size, large. When you click large, you get a pictures which is a large format, so that you can expand as much as you want. For example, if you want to download this picture, you can see the resolution 1566 and 881, which is a good resolution for the regular A4 paper. Anything beyond 1080 in 768, which is good for A4 paper, it's fine. If you want to download this picture, 1400 and 845. Now Google is come up with, you can right away click here and save image, and it's really good. When you go to the document, you can paste it. So get a good resolution. Now, how to enlarge this or reduce this? Okay. Don't keep the mouse, and then you can don't enlarge like this, which is really unsize the picture. So always keep in mind, enlarge or make a small picture from the corner to down, so that you can sometimes you need a picture in this way. In that case, you need to download those kind of picture, not this way, sorry, this kind of picture. You want a vertical one. In that case, you really need to download those kind of picture. But this is a landscape picture. You can find out the portrait picture. You can type portrait, so that you can get the portrait version. It's a lengthy one. If you want a landscape picture, you can download landscape pictures. So it will be like, it's a landscape picture. Now in this way you can enlarge, make a small picture. And if you want to put an outline, okay, let's go to the next lesson. Now this is the way you're supposed to download the picture, I mean image the picture. Or you can download the picture, save the image to your desktop or wherever you want to download. You can download it, then you can import it from your insert, import it from your picture from the file. If you want to do that, you can do that. Now sometimes you don't want a picture which is the full scale. I mean, like you want to put something like only the line picture. In this case, you need to type line png. So when you get a line png, that only the line will come, background will be um, you know it will be empty, it won't be any color background. Now in this picture, you can put it in this white background, so it's look like a picture. But when you want to download a PNG file, it looks so good. Now let's show you how it is. And type PNG. You can click over here. Yeah, this is a PNG file where there's no background. So I click over here. Sometimes you have to pay money, but most of the time it'll be free. You need to find out which is free version. When you go here, you get a free version. And I can say download. When download, you get a pencil. Just make it on desktop. Download it. Then you can go here. Insert picture. Picture from file. You'll be in desktop. You can download. Now you can see that there is no background in it. There's only outline pictures, so that you can put wherever you want. Make it small. It is not exactly like this. So sometimes when I want to do the worksheet or anything, you can download these kind of pictures. Anything like table PNG. You can create a table PNG, and then you get a table PNG separately without a background. So look at this. Look at this. There's no background at the back. So this kind of picture is really good. In that picture also, you're not supposed to reduce it from the side. You're supposed to reduce from the corner so that you can get a good picture of it. This is the way you can import the pictures from Google Images. And if you have any doubt, please let me know. Definitely we work on that. Thank you so much. Bye. Have a great day.